how to download the IntelliJ IDEA for your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the IntelliJ IDEA for your Windows 11 computer system. As you know, IntelliJ IDEA is a powerful and popular integrated development environment or IDE for Java and Kotlin development, and it's available and commonly used on Windows 11 and is known for its features that enhance productivity, such as code completion, static code analysis, and refactoring tools. So, let us see how you can install and download the IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows 11 computer. So, in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is head on to any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, the Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So for this particular demonstration, I will be using the Google Chrome. Now here you can see, once I am inside my web browser, I need to search for IntelliJ IDEA download and then hit the enter button. Now here the first result is from JetBrains that says download IntelliJ IDEA, and the official website for the IntelliJ IDEA is jetbrains.com. So simply click onto this download IntelliJ IDEA link, and here it will ask you for cookies. So if you don't want the cookies right now, you can simply close it, and from here you can see the download, and this is the exe for Windows. If you click onto this downward arrow, you can see some other options, like instead of exe you can also get a zip file, and also you can get an exe version for the ARM64 architecture. So right now I will be going with the exe Windows version, and here you can see that a download just popped up, and here you can see that this download is of around 1.2 gigabyte. So let us wait for this download process to finish, and once the download process for this installer finishes, we will be able to extract our application and install the IntelliJ IDEA application into our Windows 11 computer system. So as here you can see that the download process for this installer has been successfully completed, and once it is ready to open, we will be opening this particular installer. So now we have got the open button, so let's click onto this open button, and the installer will be activated so that we can install the IntelliJ IDEA into our Windows 11 computer system. So here this says please wait a while, and you might need to click yes if a dialog box appears. And here it says again, welcome to IntelliJ IDEA setup. So click onto the next button, and now it is asking us to set a destination folder. So if you want to have a custom destination folder where you want the IntelliJ IDEA to be present, then you can click onto this browse button. But currently I will be going with the default path that it is giving me, and here you can see the space required to install this onto your hard drive is 4.3 gigabyte, and below that is the available space. So then click onto the next button, and now it is giving you some options for installation, which includes to create desktop shortcut if you want, and update context menu, and then you can also create associations for Java, gradle.groovy.kt.kts and .pom. And also there is this important option that says update path variable restart needed, so you may also choose this option as well, and then click onto the next button, and from here you need to click onto this install button. And now you can see that the process of installation has begun, and we will need to wait for the complete installation, after which we will be able to use the IntelliJ IDEA into a computer system. Also, if you want to see the details of the installation, simply click onto this show details button right here, and it will show you all of the details and the processes that it is carrying out in order to install the IntelliJ IDEA application into our Windows 11 system. So let us wait for the installation process to get finished. So now here, as you can see, that our installation has been successfully completed, and this says your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of IntelliJ IDEA. Do you want to reboot now? So if you want to reboot, you can choose the first option, but I do not want my computer to reboot right now, so I'm going with the second option that says I want to manually reboot later. So once you are done with this, simply click the finish button and the IntelliJ IDEA has been successfully installed into your Windows 11 computer. Now let us check whether the installation has actually been successful, and let's try to access the application. So to do this, head on to the taskbar and from the search menu, simply search for IntelliJ IDEA. And here you can see under the apps, this is the IntelliJ IDEA 2025.1.1.1. So let's double click on this, and here you can see that the IntelliJ IDEA has been successfully opened, and from here it is asking us to activate either a 30-day trial and to activate the license. So if you want to know more about the plans and pricing, you can click onto this particular link and it will get you the subscription details about the IntelliJ IDEA for Windows 11. So that's how easily you can download and install the IntelliJ IDEA for your Windows 11 computer. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving us a like. Do tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.